Alright guys, so I'm gonna talk a little bit about minivans here in Japan guys. And mind you guys, ang dami yung mga minivans dito, no? Different yung mga brands like the Bandit, Suzuki. Pero yung mukha nila guys, magkapareho lang, almost the same, no? And I'm really wondering because ang daming gumagawa ng mga minivans guys. And halos lahat pare-pareho yung mukha nila. May kunting difference lang, no? When it comes to their faces. But all they have a quarter windows at the back and front, and then almost have the same model, the same design such as that one over there. That's Suzuki Bandit. And guys, tingnan mo ito. This is a Daihatsu. Tingnan mo. Meron din silang Nissan dito. Look at that. Pare-pareho yung design nila guys. And there's another Daihatsu over there. And then that's another Mazda. Look at that. Magkapareho lang yung design nila guys, no? And this is a very fuel efficient. They run on RO6 engine. And sometimes they run like 20 kilometers per liter, up to 22 I think. So napakaganda talaga nito, and I'm planning to buy one when I get home guys. There's also currently popular now, which is the Suzuki Hustler guys. Napaka-popular sa atin ngayon diyan sa Pilipinas. Ito naman guys yung pinaka-uso ngayon sa atin, no? Sa sinabi ko guys, this is the Hustler, yung ano ngayon, Suzuki. Alright? O yan, ganun siya kaliit guys. Ang ganda din. Alright? Alright guys, so yung pinaka-finale natin is the Honda N-Box. Kasi itong Honda N-Box wala pa masyado sa atin guys, sa DZ. Look at that guys, ang ganda guys. Look at that, look at the hood. You have the quarter mirrors, look at back. And look at the back guys, ang ganda. Napakaganda talaga ng Honda N-Box. So ayan guys, sana magustuhan nyo itong feature ko about the minivans here in Japan. It's very popular at home. Dami na natin sa atin sa Pilipinas guys. And I'm hoping to own one. Alright, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye, arigato, see you next time, arigato.